In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer money from your Robinhood account to Cash App. If you've ever wondered how to move funds between these two apps quickly and safely, this guide will make it really simple for you. So, let's get started. First, open Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your profile section, where you can manage all your account settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Linked Banks and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option to link debit card. Tap on that, but instead of entering a debit card, choose the No Card option. Then tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll through the list of banks to see if Robinhood appears. If you don't see it, simply use the search bar at the top to type in Robinhood. After selecting Robinhood, the app will prompt you to authenticate your Robinhood account. Tap Continue, and you'll be redirected to the Robinhood login page. Here, log in with your usual credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Once the authentication is complete, your Robinhood account will now be connected to Cash App. After your account is linked, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner to go to the Add Cash section. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select an amount or tap the three-dot icon to enter a custom amount. Once you've entered the amount you want to transfer, tap Add Cash at the bottom. Enter your Cash App PIN to confirm the transaction, and the funds will be transferred from Robinhood to Cash App. And that's it. Your money is now in Cash App and ready to use. By following these steps carefully, you can transfer funds between Robinhood and Cash App safely and efficiently.